This is a problem we require to work with combinations, because combinations, if you remember, the arrangement does not matter, whereas in permutations the order of arrangements does. So in combinations, when we've got the subject selection, it doesn't matter whether you choose group A subject first or group C subject or group B subject, as long as you choose 6 subject, because Sally's school offers 6 group A subjects, 8 group B subjects, 5 group C subjects, but Sally must choose altogether 6 subjects, and 2 of them have to be from group A, 2 of them have to be from group B, and 1 has to be from group C. Now the problem is that she can choose 1 more from any group above. So in calculating how many ways she can make her selection, we will use the combinations method, and we will use the combinations formula. For the value n, we input the number of subjects that are available in a group, and for r, we input the number of subjects that Sally must choose in a particular group. But instead of substituting these numbers into this formula, I urge you to do this on your calculator. Okay, so we know that she needs to choose 2 subjects from group A, and 6 subjects are available, so we write 6C2. And she also needs to do 2 subjects from group B. That means there are 8 subjects available, and she needs to choose 2. And she also needs to do 1 subject from group C, and there are 5 subjects available, so it's 5, choose 1. And plus she needs to do 1 other subject, which could be either in C, or it could be either in group B, or it could be either in group A. So let's say that she chooses the extra subject from group A. So there will be 6 subjects in group A, and she can choose 3 subjects. And she will also then choose 2 subjects from group C, and there's 8 there. And she will also choose 1 subject from group C. And you can see that this time 3 subjects plus 2 subjects to choose from and plus 1 subject add to 6 subjects. So she has chosen 6 subjects. But it may be that she does it in a different way. Maybe, or should I say, she does the required 2 subjects in group A and increases her subject in group B, so that way she'll do 3 subjects in group D out of the 8, and also 1 subject from group 5. This means that she could do it also, or 2 subjects in group A and keep on doing just 2 subjects in group C, but this time she increases her subject to 2 subjects in group C. So out of the 5, she'll have 2. And so you can see that in each row she has completed 6 subjects in here, or she's done 6 subjects in there, or she's managed to do the 6 subjects in here. So let's just put it all together. You'll notice that the increase in subjects was in this group, and then secondly it was in this group, and thirdly we did an increase in a subject in the last group. Remember that when we've got the word and, it means multiplication, and when we've got the word or, we are going to add. This can all be written down as 6, choose 3, multiplied by 8, choose 2, multiplied by 5, choose 1, and this is going to be then added on to 6, choose 2, multiplied by 8, choose 3, multiplied by 5, choose 1, and this will be once again added to 6, choose 2, multiplied by 8, choose 2, and we multiply it by 5, choose 2. And this is one way of writing it. The other way that we have been used to is writing it in the form of those brackets and plugging these into the calculator for NCR combinations. You should get the first set to be 2800, and then you should get 4200, and lastly we add another 4200, and that becomes 11,200 ways. Okay, give your thumbs up for this one. I liked this particular problem, and if you subscribe, this will be a huge help for me because the videos will reach a wider audience. And of course, you'll be notified when my next video comes in.